In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to fix Discord overlay is not working and how we can fix this. For many users, when they go to the Discord and when you go to the user setting, what happens is if you scroll it down, they're not able to find either the game overlay, it might be missing, or for some users, they're not even able to see it. So if that is the case, how we can fix this? So the first and foremost step is all about we have to open the Discord. From here, you need to navigate to the user setting here. Now from here you have to scroll it down all the way down and navigate to the game overlay and you have to click on this. Now over here at the top, what you need to do is you have to scroll it down, make sure enable overlay should be turned on, and also make sure the enable legacy overlay should also be turned on. This is very important. Once you're done with this one, what you need to do is just need to go back to the registered games. Now over here you have to see a game. So in my case, even though for some users they'll not be able to detect the game, if that is the case, we need to on a game in the background. So to do so, what you need to do is I'll go over here. I just randomly search for the Roblox and I'll click on this. Now just open the Roblox in the background and you have to minimize it. And once you minimize and if you go back to the Discord, make sure the game, for example, I'm just demonstrating with the Roblox. You can try turning on any kind of game. I'm just giving an example over here. Once you get into the Roblox, what you need to do is we have to go to exit from the full spree. And now from here, you have to go back to the Discord here. Now, once you get into the Discord, you have to go to the same procedure, go to the user setting. Now from here, you have to scroll it down and go to the registered game. Now you can see the Roblox is being added here. So if you don't find the Roblox, you have to make sure that a game is running in the background, or what you need to do is still if it's not finding, you can add the game. If you click on add it, you can select the game that you wanted to add. You can add the game and it will be added here. So if you click on this toggle detection, as you can see, it will be going from here. And now we can bring it back. If you click on this, it will be visible here. Now, once you go back, you have to go to the app setting here. Now from here, you have to go to the appearances. And from here, what you need to do is we have to scroll it down here and we need to scroll it down here and navigate to over here. If you scroll it down, you will be able to find the advanced. Under this, make sure enable hardware acceleration. If it is turned on, try turning off this. Now go to the change and restart the Discord. So what happens is the Discord will be relaunching back and most probably that's going to bring you back the game overlay in most cases. If that failed to bring it back, then what you need to do is we have to try a few more steps. What you need to do is the first one, the very important thing, once the Discord is back over here, you have to check with it. And still, if you're having a trouble with the Discord and if it's not running in the background, then just make sure the Discord opens completely. If not, what you need to do is you have to minimize the Discord, go over here in the settings, and we need to go to the search and type here for settings, and we have to click on this. Once we click on this, what you need to do is we have to go to the app, go to installed apps. Now from here, we need to search here for the Discord. So or you can just keep scrolling down and navigate to the Discord here. Both are fine. You can just search for the Discord. And once you get into the Discord, or you can just use the easiest way, just go over here, type here for Discord. Now from here, click on the three-dot menu and go for uninstall. After the Discord is uninstalled, go back to the store and we need to type here for Microsoft Store and get into the Microsoft Store. Now from here, you have to download the Discord, which is more stable version than which we downloaded right now. So you just wait for the Microsoft Store to get loaded up completely. Now from here, what you need to do is we have to go over here, type here for Discord, and you have to try downloading the Microsoft version of Discord, which is much stable rather than this. So after trying with this, you have to check with it after downloading. And also apart from this, you can just go over here, make sure that sometimes we need to run the Discord as an administrator, that even help it. And also make sure one more thing for many users, you have to make sure all the games are not supported for the game overlay. For some reasons, if it's not showing there, make sure it is not there and it's not supported by the Discord. And also make sure one more thing, make sure the game which is running in the background or you're trying to do the overlay should be either in a borderless or windowed borderless mode, like you can change it from the game, because that can easily detect in the Discord, and that is all we have to do. So these are the steps and I'll see you in the next video. That's it. Bye.